Good morning, Aglancha. We are back after the vacation. Look, all my mandarini. A huge of fruits. More mandarin to come, guys. Look. And my plant is alive. Because there's an automatic water pump to water it. And my pomelo is here. Pomelo. I think this year is not too much fruits, but they are big. This is our pomelo, guys. Pomelo. By November or October, can be harvest. This is our surround, guys. This is nectarine. And this is only the fruit left. All drop. No one harvest it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.